Welcome back to another episode of Vision Vitals, Econ Systems Podcast. Today, we're talking about something that's been getting a lot of attention in the embedded vision world. Of course, I'm referring to Econ Systems' 10G Compact HSB Camera Solution, and helping us with expert insights who loves to guide us through the world of embedded vision. Hi.
Hey, glad to be here. Can't wait to share my views on this.
You certainly seem extra excited.
Well, this topic is indeed extra exciting. After all, Econ Systems' Compact 10G HSB solution is already a game changer for those using NVIDIA Jetson Thor, Orin, and Orin platforms.
All right, so let's begin with the why and the what. Why did Econ Systems develop this 10G HSB solution for Jetson Thor and Orin, and what gap does it fill?
It's a series of Holoscan cameras that connect directly to NVIDIA Jetson Thor or Orin using the Holoscan SDK. The setup has a 10G Ethernet port for Jetson, two MIPI CSI2 ports for cameras, and even supports extra sensors like IMU, GPS, and radar. With this bridge, you get real-time, low-latency transmission, all of which are critical for humanoids, industrial automation, robotics, medical imaging, and other edge AI uses. It also integrates a lattice FPGA with our TinTe ISP, which handles image processing efficiently, offloading it from the NVIDIA GPU, keeping the GPU fully dedicated to AI tasks.
And what about the sensor options? I hear there are a couple of interesting ones.
Exactly. Econ Systems offers multiple models under this compact HSB category. One is the 20-megapixel AR2020 super resolution camera, built on the onsemi Hyperlux LP family. It delivers 5120 x 3840 resolution, HDR, and advanced low-light performance, ideal for scenarios where fine detail is everything. Another option is the full HD AR0234 global shutter camera, which prioritizes fast capture without motion blur. That's important for robotics, industrial inspection, or any application where objects move quickly. Together, these give developers flexibility, so you can pick ultra-high resolution or blur-free speed depending on your workload.
That sounds like a solid lineup. Now, one thing that stood out is the mention of the TinTe ISP. Can you explain what role that plays?
Sure. TinTe ISP is Econ Systems' proprietary image signal processor. It's integrated into these compact HSB cameras to handle tasks like debayering, color correction, and noise reduction. What's clever is that the ISP offloads heavy processing from the Jetson CPU or GPU. That frees up resources for AI inference and analytics. Hence, instead of spending compute cycles on tuning images, the platform can focus on running models. And since TinTe ISP is optimized for both stills and video, you get consistent image quality across lighting conditions.
Got it. And how do these cameras physically connect to Jetson Thor or Orin?
This happens through a simple RJ45 Ethernet interface. It's a 10G link, which gives bandwidth for high-resolution or high-frame-rate data streams. Because Ethernet is a widely supported standard, integration becomes straightforward. Simply plug into the NVIDIA Holoscan SDK and you're ready to build vision pipelines. The HSB design also keeps things compact, so these cameras fit into space-constrained enclosures. Passive cooling means no fans, which helps in medical or industrial setups where silence and reliability matter.
Speaking of setups, where do you see this solution being applied in the real world?
Plenty of areas. Think about medical imaging, where 20 megapixel resolution helps detect micro-details in endoscopy or pathology. In robotics, the AR0234 global shutter keeps barcode scanning and navigation blur-free. Industrial inspection benefits from both resolution and speed, whether you're detecting hairline cracks in materials or validating assembly lines. Then there's AI research. With high-bandwidth cameras feeding data directly into Thor's compute cores, scientists can train or deploy models on live streams in real time. Even retail analytics and autonomous machines stand to gain because the compact design makes deployment easier in tight or mobile systems.
It feels like a lot of thought has gone into balancing hardware and software here.
That's right. Econ Systems didn't stop at just building cameras. We tuned the entire solution to align with NVIDIA's Holoscan ecosystem. The Compact HSB cameras are validated with Thor and Orin modules, the TNTE ISP optimizes image quality, and the 10G backbone ensures zero bottlenecks. That means quicker prototyping and a faster path to production.
Before we wrap, one more question. Why should engineers pay attention to this solution instead of sticking to conventional camera setups?
3 reasons. First is bandwidth and low latency for long distances. Traditional interfaces like USB or CSI can hit limits when you push high resolution or frame rate. 10G Ethernet avoids that bottleneck. Second is form factor. The HSB build is small, rugged, and thermally efficient. Third is integration. With Holoscan SDK support and the inbuilt TNTE ISP, you can focus on application logic instead of plumbing. And remember, this is only one part of a bigger story. With Holoscan integration and next-gen Jetson platforms, the possibilities are just opening up.
That's it for today's Vision Vitals. Thanks for guiding us through the 10G Compact HSB Camera Solution.
Always happy to help.
And thanks to our audience for tuning in. Please subscribe to stay updated as we continue exploring how embedded vision and AI are reinventing industries worldwide. If you'd like to know more about our 10G Compact HSB camera solutions, please visit www.econsystems.com. From all of us here at Econ Systems, stay tuned and stay inventive, and we'll catch you in the next episode of Vision Vitals, your favorite embedded vision podcast.